So there's about 1% difference in DNA between humans and chimps. Yet we like to think of ourselves as
highly superior
intellectually to the chimp.
Right.
Maybe the difference in our brain power is as small as that 1% indicates.
Ugh.
So that pulling termites out of a mound with a stick that was carefully chosen from a branch,
right,
is from a bush, maybe that is not very far from
space travel,
the Hubble telescope. Right. No, wait, think about it. No, I know this sounds crazy. No, think about it. Maybe.
Oh, look at those cute little humans in their telescopes.
That's what I'm saying.
Up there. Look at that. Is that a space shuttle that they just launched?
Okay, so now watch. The smartest chimp that are studied in labs,
right,
that are brought forward in the chimp societies, right? You bring them forward, and what do? They'll stack boxes to reach a banana. Mm-hmm. They might put up an umbrella. They'll do some things, okay, have rudimentary sign language. Our toddlers can do that.
Right.
But those are the smartest chimps.
Oh, but you're right.
But our toddlers do that.
Same thing with dogs. Dogs have about.
I know. I could do this example for dogs as well, but chimps is simpler
because they're closer to us,
even closer. So watch.
Gotcha. See what you're doing.
You see where I'm going? Okay, so watch. If the smartest chimp equals our toddler, and there's only 1% difference in DNA between us,
right?
Let's go 1% beyond us.
Ooh, that's scary.
That's what I'm saying. If we go 1% beyond us in that same vector of intelligence,
they're traveling at the speed of light.
Then
they've figured out light travel.
Then the smartest human, they'll roll forward. They'll take Stephen Hawking and they'll say this human is slightly smarter than the rest because he can do astrophysics calculations in his head,
right?
Like little Timmy over here who just came home from alien preschool,
right?
The toddler,
right?
And say, oh, you just composed a sonnet. Isn't that cute? Let's put it up on the refrigerator. Oh, you just derived the principles of calculus. Oh, isn't that cute?
No, that's funny.
So if the smartest human does what their toddlers can do,
right,
their average people will have thoughts. They will have sentences that will rise above and beyond our most brilliant capacity to understand. And I stay awake at night wondering whether the universe has complexities in it that are out of reach of the neurosynapses of the human brain.
Wow.
That's my answer.
So there's information out there that we just cannot conceive or perceive.
We don't even know how to access that about it.
To get an answer.
Correct.
We don't know the answer. We don't know the question to get an answer. Right.
And not that we don't know it because we haven't been told it yet.
No, we just can't conceive of it.
Can't conceive it. You go to a chimp and say, what would it be?
Oh, something as simple as navigating the stars to get someplace. Chimps can't do that.
Stars? What? Navigate? What?
Right.
What? Spaceship? What? Rocket? Fuel? What? None of that. None of it. You can't even have that conversation.
Right.
So that's my point.
Ugh. Now I'm thinking that this whole thing might be some type of like science experiment by some alien kid now.
Yes.
That just
Why not?
Ugh.
We are all a simulation in an alien kid's basement who hasn't moved out of the house yet.
That's so funny.